Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. We're creating a Wednesday Addams-inspired soft goth makeup look. Think dark, mysterious, and elegant, but still soft and wearable for everyday glam. This look balances gothic vibes with a modern twist, perfect for moody makeup lovers who want to look edgy and beautiful. If you loved this look, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more affordable and creative makeup inspirations. Let me know in the comments which character-inspired look you want to see next. Let's glow. Step 1. Start pale, stay powerful. Base. Let's start with the base. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation, shade 115 or 120 for pale goth tones. This lightweight, oil-free formula gives a smooth, matte finish that minimizes pores and creates an even base. Perfect for that classic pale Wednesday Addams complexion. It blends easily and works great for normal to oily skin. For a more hydrated look on dry skin, mix it with a drop of serum. Step 2. Brighten like a ghost. Concealer. For concealer, the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer is a must-have. It provides full coverage with a satin finish and is infused with hydrating ingredients like sodium hyaluronate and rose flower water. Use a lighter shade under the eyes to brighten the area while still keeping that soft, shadowy mood Wednesday is known for. Step 3. Lock in the look. Setting powder. To set the face, I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder in Transparent. This cult favorite controls shine all day without looking cakey. It gives that flat, porcelain matte finish we're aiming for in this look. Step 4. Sculpt like a shadow, contour. For contour and depth, go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in Dulce de Leche. This affordable duo blends effortlessly and is perfect for carving out cheekbones, defining the jawline, and bringing subtle definition to the nose. The cool-toned contour side gives a natural shadow effect which fits the gothic vibe without being too harsh. Step 5. Cold Flush Vibes. Blush. Now for blush, which should be minimal and moody. I'm using the Milani Rose Powder Blush. This muted, dusty mauve gives a natural flush without overpowering the goth aesthetic. Its buildable formula ensures you can go as soft or as sculpted as you like. Step 6. Smoke and Spell. Eyeshadow. Moving to eyes, the center of this look, I recommend the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette in Smoky and Highlight. It contains a beautiful range of grays, blacks, and cool taupes, perfect for layering and blending a dramatic smoky eye. Use a matte gray as a transition, deepen with charcoal in the crease, and apply black near the lash line. For shimmer lovers, a touch of silvery shimmer on the inner corner or lid center adds a soft, gothic glam glow. Step 7. Liner for the soul. Eyeliner. To line the eyes, go for the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Gel Pencil Liner in Deep Onyx. It glides on like a dream, lasts all day, and is smudge-proof, which is great if you're going for that slightly smudged, slept-in look that still feels intentional. Step 8. Lashes that cast spells. Mascara. For mascara, nothing beats the drama of the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. It adds insane length and volume, especially when layered. It's perfect for those who want a bold lash look without using falsies. Step 9. Brow like you mean it. Now for brows, we want a soft but defined arch. The e.l.f. Girl Shady Slim. Brow pencil is perfect. It has a precise tip that creates hair-like strokes and a spoolie on the end for blending. Go for a shade close to your natural brow, but with a cool undertone. Step 10. Lips with a bite. The lips are essential in soft goth makeup. Choose shades that are moody, but not too loud. I love the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon in Live on the Edge, a burnt berry that lasts all day and applies like butter. Step 11. Set it and spell it, setting spray. To lock it all in, finish with the e.l.f. Stay All Night Micro Fine Setting Mist. It gives a long-lasting hold while keeping your skin looking like skin, not overly powdery. It contains cucumber and green tea extract to refresh and hydrate, balancing the matte base.